Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the Ps5 ready. Power it on and sign into your PSN account so settings persist. Once logged in, open a place that accesses the system browser, for example Media Gallery or a web-based app. Make sure the console firmware is fully updated. Outdated software can block modern JavaScript. These steps prime the system so the browser can accept scripts and execute web content correctly. Do them now before moving into browser level. Once done opening the browser, navigate to the browser menu through Messages or a game link that launches a web view. You'll find Page Settings or Advanced Settings. Open them to locate content controls. Make sure JavaScript or dynamic content is set to allow rather than block. You may need to refresh the page after toggling. This change permits sites to run scripts for interactive features and fixes broken pages that rely on modern web APIs. To finish, reload the web page and test interactive elements such as buttons or media players. They should respond now. If things still misbehave, clear the browser cache and cookies and reload, because stale files can prevent new scripts from running. Make sure to restart the Ps5 if problems persist. A reboot applies setting changes and clears transient errors. If scripts still fail after these steps, verify the site works on another device to rule out site-side restrictions or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.